Alan Fernandez, and my project pitch is titled Visual Analytics for Yield Improvement on Outdoor Signage. In order to achieve the right ad to be projected to the right person, several machine learning techniques need to work in conjunction. In easy layman terms, the system should be able to detect your face, then recognize your gender, and then recognize your age approximately, to then be able to predict the age of the person, to collect this audience data, and then project the right ad. Then this leads us to the main aim, which is performing visual analytics and face recognition for increased brand and product awareness and effectiveness through gender and age recognition using a support vector machine model in real time on outdoor signage via a hidden live camera feed. Then this gets broken down into 3 objectives, which is mainly the collection of images and video to build a training database, then to create and test the algorithm to be automated onto the system to constantly be working with new images, and then at the end to validate that these results are accurate so that it can be deployed, accurate and good. Current technologies out there that work for this kind of project is facial biometrics, which also aim to recognize the age approximately as well and the gender. Some video analytics challenges are the automation of the system itself, getting audience data, and finding the right engagement metrics, which is quite tricky. Google is a company that is trying to implement this technology through their subsidiary called DoubleClick for the street billboards at the moment in London. The significance of the project and importance of being solved is that we're still mainly used to the one-size-fits-all mass message basically we find in the street, but an ad like this, if it is not in the right location, may not yield as good as a live signage can. Then the innovation behind the project is the potential it's got for public spaces such as bus stops when people are waiting. So if it gets to be automated and it can display several information for the people gathered in the place, it can be quite interactive and work beneficially for everyone. The way we'll be approaching the project will be by the data collection for training database creation, like I said, through hardware installation, then collecting the data, then onto the classifier selection, model creation, model testing, and then the validation and deployment. The budget allocated is $700,000 with hardware of the surveillance camera, as it is a pilot project, and software that it's open. It's a free software, which is RStudio. And the personnel will be 4 data scientists, 2 entry-level data scientists, and a normal data scientist, and a senior data scientist in charge of the project. And I would like to say thank you, and I'll see you later.